Okay, so Sofico missed their spot because we were so fast. Now this is a sponsor that supports us every year, and now they want to do their small presentation for you guys. So give them a round of applause.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for the short introduction. So, I hope you are enjoying the conference, actually. It's still early, but there are still great talks to come. I'm not used to it as well, that it's that the talks don't take longer. I'll try to keep this one as short as well then. But I'm here to present Sofico. We're, I think, the third or fourth time we're gold sponsor now. I lost track of it. We just love coming here, so we just come back every year, I guess. Sofico, what is it? Who are we? And so on. I wanted to ask a question here, but I think I can make an assumption, actually. We're in a conference full of IT people. That means that a lot of people have the benefit of having the ability to have a leasing car or a leasing bike, or like a multi-mobility budget also exists in Belgium. And that's actually where we build software for. So we build software for leasing companies, big and small, but mostly the big ones, banks and the car manufacturers themselves have a leasing division. So we build software for them, and that's from start to finish. Yeah? You quote the car, you order the car gets delivered. You use the car for 4 years, you get some speeding tickets along the way, goes through your system, you receive it, you pay it, and then you give the car back, and the cycle starts over again if you're lucky, basically. That's what we do. But who is Sofico itself? Because after every company name, there are many people. In our case, we are 500 people strong, which is rather crazy, because when I started at Sofico, we were with 230 people 5 years ago. So we doubled in size in 5 years, more than double, actually. This year also marks actually our 35th anniversary. So I thought that was nice to put it there. Otherwise, I wouldn't have put it there, to be honest. But it's a nice number. So we have a Sofico weekend that we go on. And it's a special one, thanks to the 35th anniversary. Now, on a more sportive note, you might know Sofico by name or not, but you might have seen the Sofico Ghent Marathon, hence our name in the front. We sponsor the Ghent Marathon. So for those who do the Ghent Marathon, it's actually this weekend, this Sunday. Good luck. I won't be running. It's not my thing. And respect for those who actually just try to do it. That's this weekend. Good luck. What else do I want to say? The name of our software is Smiles. And we have 10 offices worldwide. And if you fancy like an international career, we have possibilities. If you want to go to Australia, Tokyo, Mexico, USA now as well, or just closer to home, Netherlands, France, UK, Germany, Madrid recently as well, so Spain. We have offices there. Together with those offices, we support 27 countries, 80 plus deployments, which leads to roughly the same amount of customers. So it's a niche market, so it's actually a lot of deployments that we have. As we are on technology conference, I wanted to highlight technologies that we use. It's a set of them, the most important ones, and the right one is the most important for this one here today. Angular, RxJS, obviously, it goes hand in hand. There's no one way or the other, so to speak. With Angular, Storybook, Cypress, IO, NX is not on here, but we use it as well. But if you fancy more or other technologies, this is our stack, or a subset of our stack, I should say. So this is Sofico. I only have 5 minutes. I might have been over them or not, I don't know. But that's my story for you today. So I want to wish you a good conference that's to come, that you still learn a lot. And a good weekend, because that's also coming up in a few hours. And for those who do the marathon, a lot of respect. Thank you very much.